Hey kids, did you know you can make Minecraft items based on your favorite comics? Like those from the delightful book series Animal Rescue Friends from Epic Originals. A Minecraft item is an object the player can hold and use. They come in many shapes and sizes, including tools, weapons, potions, and more. The best part is that you can create your own custom Minecraft items using tools like Tynker. Today's tutorial will show you how to make items from the series Animal Rescue Friends. We're going to make a pet cage, Belle's handy clipboard, and Mrs. Becker's cookies. Let's get started. The first thing to do is make sure we're on the Tynker homepage. Click on the box that reads New Project. You should be on the block coding page. Now, select Minecraft from the list on the left. Next, choose Create Item. We're ready to begin creating the first item, the pet cage. You will see a lot of items. Scroll over to the right and choose the painting. Click on Start Project. Start by clicking on the palette button. This will let you pick your own colors. Select a dark gray color and use the pencil tool to fill in the rectangle like this. Now, select a darker gray and draw the base. Finally, use a pale blue to draw in squares